You are on mute.
Couldn't hear anything.
Sorry guys, still I am on the mute
You're
only.
mute.
Fine.
Yeah, I was talking of relogging here again.
Now I am audible.
Yeah, yes, sure.
What I did here, just I removed the entire configuration. Whichever we configured static NAT, I removed that only here. Now what we'll do, we'll assign the dynamic NAT. In that dynamic NAT, I have to take as I should have to create one ACL. Because of that ACL, I should have to permit the permit the entire range, whichever the LAN interfaces are there, I have to permit that. Then that ACL I'll apply from source list here. Fine. Here I am creating one pool. You check here step by step. For this access control list, I am creating that is 50. This is our static standard ACL I'm creating here in between, because I how to assign like entire IP address. And I'm advertising permit here, permit which IP address, this entire LAN 192.168.1.1. Then wildcard mask 0.0.0.0.255. I have created one ACL. I have created here one ACL, that much only. In that ACL, I have permitted this entire interface, this entire LAN interfaces. So how many hosts are there? I'll advertise those hosts towards internet to communicate different location. So I'll create here one IP NAT pool. NAT pool I am taking here. So give us any name. I am creating here dynamic. So and start range. So as to how to take here, I'm creating the dynamic NAT. So I'll take entire range of this whichever ISP provided me. Whichever ISP provided me, 50.1.1.0 and subnet mask and IP address. From starting IP address is 1 and end IP address is 50.1.1. I'll take it as a 100 only, because our requirement is 100 users. So you can assume likewise. And network mask 255 255.255.255.0. Here I have created one dynamic NAT pool. In that NAT pool, starting IP address is here also same thing. In statically we configured like earlier. Now I am giving a way for one host. It will be take automatically whichever the first originated. It will be take traffic originated, that will be take in this range, like DHCP concept only. You can assume it's like it will be take that first IP address for that private IP in the range of 254. The range is available in the 254, but we have assigned up to 100 only. And how I implement this? IP NAT, then we said inside and source IP address and list I have created here. Which list? ACL list, that is 50. And which pool? The name of pool is our dynamic. That much only. You can verify from here. Just IP NAT inside source list and whichever ACL and then pool and name. what I did here. So running configuration, pipe section, NAT. I have created one pool dynamically. This is a range, and I have created one ACL. Row list. This is the ACL I have created, and I have permitted this IP addresses in the ACL. Guys, understood what I configured here? If you are not understanding, just tell me. Guys, answer it. If you are not understanding, just answer.
So you have given the pool list 50 and the pool as dynamic.
Yes. I have created one ACL. The ACL is 50, access list is 50, and that access list I'll applied here. I have applied here in this pool. Those are permitted. And permit and deny we can, with the help of ACL, we can do. So show IP NAT translation, nothing is there. Before that, we should have to apply inside and outside. For inside, towards LAN for this, and towards WAN for this interface. WAN for this interface. This is outside of we are going, and inside we are our traffic is coming. If you are assigning RAM, if you assign here in outside, if you are assigning here out inside, it will be not work. Interface fast Ethernet 0/1. It's like outside only, right? Here for this interface. This is for outside only, right? What I did, right?
Yes. Coming from the outside.
Check it properly. Check it properly. What I did is right or not. Saisri, what I have configured here, IP NAT outside, it is right or wrong for this interface?
Inside.
Why inside?
Because of
Yamuna?
the switch.
Because of?
The switch, the common switch we took is that the branch switch.
Abhinav, Yamuna, Pawan, Shashidhar. What I have to take here, inside or outside? Which one I have to take for this interface? Fast Ethernet
Inside.
0/6. Why?
Inside.
Because for the ACL we choose the common switch. So the switch we choose is the one with the fast Ethernet 0/0. So the process is taking place from inside that loop. So
Interface facing towards LAN, and this is our LAN traffic. Always you should have to take as a inside only, and whichever the towards WAN, that interface as a outside. So tell me, here outside, right? Right or wrong?
We are going into LAN, right? Local area.
So
It's
You
inside.
can use inside, right? Inside.
don't confuse it, inside only, towards LAN,
Inside.
and exit from here, and interface fast Ethernet 0 by 0. This interface I am taking now. This one also inside. Inside or outside?
Outside.
Fine. Then our configuration part is done. So running configure type section NAT. What I did, see, inside and outside I have created one dynamic pool, and that with the help of ACL I applied that which ACL I permitted this entire interface. I'll use that. So we'll originate from this traffic. Now we'll check again. It will be ping or not from outside to our LAN. No. Then good only. We'll try to ping from this. So nothing is there. We'll originate some traffic again. We'll ping the host. Yes, we can able to ping it, and we'll originate from this. Here also will web traffic will originate from here. Two hundred dot 1.1.2. Here also, from here also will originate. Before that, we'll check what we did. The help of which command? The troubleshooting command is. Can anyone answer? Can anyone tell me? The troubleshooting command. We originated some TCP traffic, web traffic, that is AT, HTTP, and ICMP whipping 4 times. You can check here, verify the, see, dynamically it was taken the public IP address. You can check it's inside local, that IP address is this one. It is automatically taken as a public IP address is 50.1.1.2. And here we originated some ICMP traffic ping, that is, see, 192.168.1.2 PC dynamically taken as a this IP address. It will be changed dynamically if this so long that this user is not originated in any traffic, it will be changed to other also. It will take. Now try to ping from here. We'll check one more also. The gateway treated. First the gateway of this our gateway, then the next gateway of this PC, and it will be reach final destination tracer. Tracer also ICMP traffic only comes under. You can check the 192.168 1.4 for this PC is taken automatically 50.1.1.3 only. Enter traffic. For this host, it will be ping or not. We haven't assigned. It's a testing PC. We'll try to ping. Yes, he can also ping because earlier we did 1-to-1 configuration. 1-to-1. Here you can check 1-to-1 in chat. You can check here 1-to-1 configuration we did. The IP NAT source static we have configured likewise 1-to-1, but now dynamically it is taking the IP addresses. It is taking the IP address dynamically, automatically it is taking the IP address. If one more PC also is there, if one more PC also is there, it will take automatically, dynamically. But the problem is here wastage of public IP addresses again. The wastage of this whole series, entire series. Guys, understood? Here dynamically it is taking the IP address. I will take one new PC. For this PC, I'll assign the IP address like 6. No need to assign, no need to give statically here IP addresses. We are not doing statically NAT. So it is taking as dynamically IP addresses. Originate some traffic ping. So we can able to ping. Now check here, show IP NAT translation. You can check here the IP address of 6. It was taken. The range is 50.1.1.4. Automatically it was taken. For this is the benefit of dynamic, but here benefit is there, only one line configuration. What we did, this is the configuration only. Just we are assigned one, we created one pool for that access pool also. Nowadays we are not using that much for this dynamic NAT. Which one we are using? That is PAT, port address translation. They are not required pool of IP addresses in PAT, port address translation. It will work based on the port number only. Check here, show the NAT translation. In here, it will be take by default one port number. To assign every IP address of same here, whichever we created, it will be assigned different ports. Through the traffic will be sent. The port will be changed. randomly port will be changed, but the IP address will be not changed. That is a dynamic NAT. Sorry, port address translation. Any doubt in dynamic NATs? If you have any queries in dynamic NAT, in static NAT, in static and dynamic NAT, if you have any doubts, guys, anyone? I'm audible?
Yes, Salim.
I'll start the recording.